Here we are, clearing out the paddock now. Didn't take a picture of it before, but it was all stacked up over there. Camera's just got rid of all of that. And you know, 4 or 5 loads like that. You do a little bit of slashing afterwards. I'll show you a picture of the piles of wood that have been cleared up. He's just refilling his chainsaw. There, that's it. Yeah! And there he's off. And into the wild beyond, cutting down some more logs for me to take up to the pile, which I will show you shortly. Dirty dog.
Nicky, let's take him away.